What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet. It also includes mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. It's one of the easiest ways to reach a large audience. Digital marketing requires a strategy and a plan to make it work for your business. Keep watching to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Content posting. Two things happen when you publish content frequently. 1. Potential customers visit and realize your business is alive and well, and 2, it helps improve the SEO of your site so everything moves smoothly. An inactive account brings in no new customers and doesn't alert search engines of their existence. Content creation. When it comes to content, you want it to be relevant, accurate, and original. Be thoughtful when it comes to deciding what you do and don't want on your website. Whatever you write, post, or create, be sure to use keywords. If you need help figuring out what keywords work for you, use Google Analytics. It's a tool that helps you with all things business and a great way to discover what people are searching for when they visit your website. Video editing. Videos are a great way to get the attention of your customers. People often prefer watching a video than reading a lengthy text. If you're going to have videos on your site, they need to be clean, edited, and final cuts. There are plenty of professionals available to help you with video editing if you don't know how. Create online presence. You need to have accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at the very least. If you miss out on this key component, you could be missing out on a huge audience that uses a certain platform. SEO. Have a plan on how to use it in order for it to work best for your business. Ensure your business continues to get organically pushed by search engines. Use professionals. If you don't know how to write content, edit videos, optimize SEO, or manage any other aspects of your business, never fear. There are professionals everywhere. Create sponsored ads. This is any community-driven, notification-oriented website which is explicitly sponsored as an advertisement by a particular company in order to draw a large amount of popularity through user promotion and moderation. Facebook and YouTube are two platforms where sponsored ads work well. Email marketing. Email marketing can reach potential customers no matter their location. It's the highly effective digital marketing strategy of sending emails to prospects and customers. Effective marketing emails convert prospects into customers and turn one-time buyers into customers. Retarget audiences. Retargeting or remarketing is a form of online advertising that can help you keep your brand in front of bounce traffic after they leave your website. This is a great way to increase sales quickly and make loyal customers in the process. Without digital marketing, your business won't last very long in today's climate. Understand it, use it, and make it work for you. Contact us today for more information. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.